Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Mikimolly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do this half up half down hairstyle on my natural hair. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Mikimolly and I do videos on fashion, hair and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those topics, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so I'm gonna just get straight into this hairstyle and like kind of show you guys what I'm doing. So first I'm going ahead and I'm just trying to part out the front section because I'm gonna curl this section later. So I'm just trying to make a decently straight part. Like, if y'all know me, if you watch my channel religiously, you know parts are not my forte. I don't know why I always try to do my best at parts, but I don't know. I am not that girl when it comes to parts. Like, my parts are never, the ones that I make for myself, they're never like 100% satisfactory. Like, they usually come to like a good 80% and I'm like, all right, this can work. But I never really do my parts and feel like, yes, this part has done the job. Like, this part looks amazing. My parts always just look like they could do a little bit more. Like, they're not really at 100%. But yeah, so now I just put that little section up because we're going to, I think we're going to start with the back first. So I'm just parting all the section that I'm going to have up, and then I'm going to start with the back of my hair and then just go from the back to the front. But yeah, I'm using my big comb. I always use this comb. Like, I don't even use like small combs when I'm like really combing my actual hair. I usually try and use like really the biggest comb ever. That way, I don't know, if I use a big comb, I don't have to worry about like a lot of like snags or a lot of hair coming out. So I just use like big combs and they usually make my life so much easier and I don't have to deal with too much shedding or whipping my hair or anything like that. So big combs are really where it's at. But yeah, I'm just really trying to get this as neat as possible going forward. And yeah, you guys see, I'm just really trying to make everything look like good, like a Pinterest pic, like, you know, because you see these girls with their hairstyles on Pinterest, you're like, oh my god, this is so neat. And then you try to do it, oh my gosh, it takes so long. So much work. So yeah, I'm just pinning up that section as well. And yeah, I can't wait to get actually started and not like pinning stuff up. Finally. Alright, so now I'm just going to be one curling the back of my hair. So I just tried to like comb it out a little and then I go in with the wand and yeah, I'm just one curling. I'm going to be one curling basically my whole head. So that's like additional heat again. Like, yeah, I know I'm gonna do a reversion, like straight to curly reversion video. So guys, please watch out for that because honestly, I don't know. I've been putting heat on my head left left and right. I've been putting heat on my head like ain't nobody business, yo. But yeah, so I'm just one curling the back of my hair and you guys see, yeah, the curls came out pretty decently. It's, yeah, I second those curls. Those curls are okay. But yeah, I'm just keeping up with that. But you know what's funny though? It's the fact that this one curl actually came with like a pair of gloves. Not even a pair. It was one single glove. It came with one single glove. And I don't know where that glove is. Like, I have literally no idea where that glove is. Like, since I bought this curling one, I always used it with all like the protective stuff because you're supposed to use like the glove to protect your hand from the heat. But I always used it without, without the glove, and it's like, wow. I went through a phase where I would just burn myself every time, but now I feel like I've gotten over that hump and I'm like a curling wand pro a little bit, just a little bit of a pro, not a real pro though, but just a little bit of a pro. So yeah, this is so boring, guys. Like I literally don't know what to talk about because I'm just like curling my hair. I have nothing to say. I literally have nothing to say. But yeah, you guys don't like when I do my videos and put music all through it because I just want to hear my lovely voice. I don't know why. But yes. Yes, so I'm just going through that and adding more heat to my hair so it can look like girl things. But yeah, I think that's the last section of the back. So I really didn't do like a super thick section in the back, and this back of my hair isn't like super thick anyways. So it was relatively easy to get that done. So yeah, what am I doing right now? I think I'm just like fluffing it. And I know that hair is like still hot because my hair was just so hot. Like it's like it was taking in like all the heat in the world. I don't know why. Like as I was curling my hair, it was like unbelievably hot. I don't know why. But anyways, I think I'm at the second portion now. No, like me I tell me, I'm at the second portion. I'm still there back. I'm still in the back, y'all. I'm still curling the back. Wow. The back can't done yet. I wanted the back, so jeez, I'm still like curl the back. Boy. Alright, so I'm still curling the back of my hair, guys. And I think I'll be finished in a bit. Like, I don't think I have much more to do. So I took my little water break and I'm back up to the middle now. Finally. We're at the middle section and we're going to do a ponytail. So yes, I'm just getting the hair gathered and getting everything together so that the hairs lay flat. So yeah, that's nice. I didn't even use like any extra product to do this. Everything was really just off the strength, really and true. Like I didn't use any extra product in my hair at this point, and I know some people do. It would be good to probably use some hairspray to get this ponytail together because I see a lot of flyaways on mine. And if I had some hairspray, that's probably what I would have used. But I didn't have any hairspray, so that's why I just tough it out, full of strength. But yeah, so I'm just doing this ponytail, and that little ponytail holder popped. Like, oh my god, these ponytail holders have no strength. I have nothing about them. I don't know why. But you guys see like a little white little piece of that. But I'm going to be covering it up with some hair, so that's fine. And here I'm just using my green edge booster to lay my edges a little bit because my edges just so crazy if they're not laid. Like my edges them don't have no style, I have nothing about them. If they're not laid, them just don't look good. Them just look bad. But yeah, so I have to lay my edges, y'all. Like I have to lay my edges. Like if my edges not laid, I just can't work it. I can't work it if my edges not laid. It can't get work. But yeah, you guys see how I do that, and I do a little swoopy doop kind of thing, and I feel like that just makes the hairstyle come together like totally come together. Like if my edges went down, the hairstyle would not come together. But once I get my edges together, that girl starts appearing. You know what I'm saying? Like she just come out of nowhere. She just show up. But I think right now I'm going to be taking out a tiny little section so I can wrap around the ponytail holder, cause the ponytail holder embarrassing. Like I don't know why I'm pick the embarrassing ponytail holder for YouTube, but it's not giving. So first I think I'm going to go ahead and curling wand pieces of my hair. So that's the case. And yeah, I'm gonna just go in with like some small sections and put more heat on my hair, lad. Fried. I really hope my curls come back, y'all. Like, honestly, I do think my curls are gonna come back. I'm not even gonna put that little bad vibes from my ear. I think my curls are gonna come back. Like, they have no choice but to. But, but yeah, I'm just curling this some more and trying to get all my hair to have that little curly wavy vibe, because when it has that vibe it looks like big fake. Like when my hair has like the curly ones, that's when it starts looking like vibes. Without me curling my hair, it's pretty and it's straight. But my straight hair is basically old at this point, so it doesn't really give straight old hair. It doesn't really give, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm putting the curling one, putting extra heat, possibly damaging it, because we need it to give, you know what I'm saying? Like hot girl things. And this was for my birthday anyways. Like this was my birthday hairstyle. So yeah, we needed to be cute for that. So I'm just going in with the curling one still same way. Fun time I'm going with the curling one when I done it. Yes. So we're at it. We're in it together. You here, I'm here. And we're going in with the curling one some more. I think I'm going to part this section into two. I don't think I'm going to do this. I tell. I thought I was doing small sections. I don't know why I did that whole section. I don't know why. Honestly, that looked like a section that needed to be part in two. But I guess I didn't. I didn't need to part it in two. So yeah, this is the vibe. I'm getting this part curled still. And then I'm basically going to be finished with the top. Okay, so now, yeah, I'm still getting finished. Alright, no, I'm finished. No, I'm finished curling the top part. Finally, we're done. Alright, so I'm just going to like squeeze it out. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but I'm trying to just get like the hair a little tighter by like squeezing it. I don't know. And then now I just went ahead with the little section that I took out to use, and then I'm using that to wrap the ponytail holder that is trying to embarrass me on YouTube. But yeah, I'm just wrapping that, and I don't even use a hairpin or anything to do it. I just really wrap it until it can't be wrapped no more, and then I just leave it alone. I wouldn't advise to do that. I probably would say secure it with a hairpin or secure it with some spritz or something, just to be on the safe side. But I don't know. I just know that it would not move, because I just know that it's not gonna move. But if you feel like your hair might be a bit more unruly, popcorn style, then make sure you go ahead and secure it. But don't know, it was a popcorn style. I'm embarrassing. Alright, so I'm just neating up the front more. So I'm just trying to get the front a little bit more neater. I'm trying to get it to not have all the flyaways that it has. I'm trying to make it look very Pinteresty, clean vibes, everything neat. So that's what I'm doing with the brush at that point. So now I love this part so much. Like, you guys have no idea how much I love to see this part. I love when I'm finishing my hairstyles. Like, I love when I'm almost done. It's just like, it's the best feeling ever, because it's just like, it takes so long, and I'm just glad when it's done. Alright, so now I'm finally curling on the front piece of my hair. Look at that. We're finally getting to the end part. Like, what all of the end parts, meal of the end part. Alright, so we're just holding that onto the hair for a little bit, not too long, not too much heat damage, you feel. But we're just holding on the hair for a little bit. Oh, girl, stop. Look at that curl. Like, that curl just looks so good. Look, that curl looks really nice. Like, I just love finishing. Alright, so I think I just went and separated it a little bit, not too much, and I'm not trying to comb it out too much either. I really just want the curl to stay as the curl, and honestly, I'm in love. Like, yes, I love this. It was such a cute hairstyle. Like, I usually don't do this because I feel like they're really girly, and I don't know. I do like girly things, but I just don't really rock a lot of these cutesy type hairstyles. But I definitely love this hairstyle. It's definitely giving 90s girl hair. Like, I really like it. But if you guys like this hairstyle as well, please go ahead and like this video, and also let me know down in the comment section if you guys like this hairstyle. I would love to know. But yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So bye, see you in my next one. Waiting, good enough, dating, all the time waiting. meditating.